What's good, YouTube? It's Chief Montana Boy. Look, bro, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fold your green screen, man. Now look, if you got one of these green screens, it could be kind of tough to kind of like fold it, man. So I'm gonna show you how to fold it in four easy steps. In 4 easy steps, man. Now look, it's not hard at all. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Now look, all you gotta do, take your left hand and you wanna put it to the side. Take your right hand and you wanna put it at the top. This left hand right here is not gonna be doing anything, okay? It's not gonna be doing anything, really. It's not gonna be doing anything. So you wanna go ahead and take your right hand at the top and you wanna pull it to the right side and kind of away from you. All right? Away from you, and then you wanna go down. Boom. Now you're in position 2. Now from position 2, you want to take your right hand and you want to curve it in and up. You want to take it and curve it in and up, like this. And then you want to take that left hand, you want to collapse it in. Collapse it in like this. Alright? And then now, the last step all you got to do is just pull this up like this. And it's gonna be folded. So man, it's super easy, man. It's not hard at all. But if you don't know, you can spend like 10 minutes just folding this thing, man. For real, man. But anyways, man, look, once you have it folded, you can do whatever you want with it, put it to the side. Now I'm gonna show y'all one more time. I'm gonna show y'all one more time how to fold this thing, man. Again, man, look, it's super easy. I'm telling y'all, man, it's super easy. Alright? So you wanna go ahead. Remember that left hand's not gonna be doing really anything. Alright? You want to take your right hand, you want to put it at the top, and you want to pull away from you to the right side, like this. And then you want to go down with it. Boom, now you're in step 2. Take that same right hand and you want to curve in and up. You see how I'm curving in and up, like this. Now you want to take that left hand, you want to collapse it together, like this. Boom. And all you gotta do, last step, just pull this up like this. Yeah, man, look, now it's folded, man. So, bro, again, it's super easy, man. I just want to show you how to do it, man, because I spent like half an hour trying to put this thing up. So it's like, man, now you can do whatever you want with it, man. But anyways, man, look, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out this thing, man.